G'day, my name's Jim. A few weeks ago, a wall of water washed away my town, drowning 22 people in their own homes and cars. People woke up in the middle of the night with water around their beds, 20 minutes later the top of their door frames. The water was so deep it went over the roof of my house, wiping out everything we own. On top of that, the insurance company told us to get stuffed. This is the story of me and my missus trying to rebuild our life from scratch.
G'day, my name's Jim, and today we're going to be working on the house. One of our first jobs we need to do is fix this crummy old fireplace, because it gets pretty bloody cold around here in winter after it gets dark. In fact, it got down to about 0 degrees last night. So a quick look online shows us that we've got two choices, bugger all and none. Well, close. Bunnings and Barbecues Galore. And it appears that Barbecues Galore has a better item than Bunnings does. They got pretty bad bloody reviews on their slow combustion stoves. So, haven't got any bloody choice. It's either that or freeze to death. So, jump in the car with the credit card and go for an hour-long drive down to Armadale and buy ourselves a slow combustion heater from Barbecues Galore. Now, these things weigh 110 kilos. So after killing ourselves for about 2 hours trying to get this from the car to inside the house, the missus decided she was going to put it back together, where I took 5 minutes to shove the intestines back up my arse with a broomstick. She unbolts the shipping brackets and replaces them with the feet. Well, while I have a rest, the little woman chucks the rest of it together, and yeah, it's looking quite good actually. It's not bad. It's starting to look pretty attractive. We've got a slight problem though. We've got to get rid of that bloody thing yet. It weighs about 200 kilos, and got to get up on the roof and take the cap off the flue so the chimney can be slid upwards and drag that out. So up goes the little woman, and yeah, she's gonna rip this cap off, so we can slide the flue up. Yep, I'm taping. I'm here. I'm making sure I do a good job. So lucky it's a good day. Otherwise, I would have had to send her up there in the rain. So, but anyway, we'll lift up the flue and put it on a couple of boxes so it doesn't slide down through the chimney itself, and then you might get stuffed up and have to try and slide it all back up. She's asking me if I want to give her a bit of a hand. No, you're right, Dale. You go for it. Beast of a bloody thing. It must be 25, 30 years old at least, I guess. So, and we've been in the house 3 months. So, yeah. But a fire is pretty bloody needed. So come on, honey, put your back into it. Put your back into it. That's it. There you go. Yeah, lift with your legs. Do short, jerky movements while lifting with your back. So, now, you might want to give the place a bit of a clean, because after sitting there in one spot for 30 odd years, there seems to be quite a lot of dust and crap all in the place. So now, after the missus throws this thing on her back and drags it across the room and slaps it into the corner, we drop the flue back down on top of it, and it's looking pretty good yet. It's certainly getting there. So back onto the roof. Better hurry, it's going to start raining soon. You're going to get wet. She gets up there and grabs that hat and throws it on top. Tries to line up the holes, which is not exactly particularly easy. And that stops the pipe inside falling down too low or going back up again. So next we've got the fire bricks to put back in it. They were in it when we bought it, but it was so ridiculously bloody heavy that we took all the bricks out of it. We took the door off it, and there was a big plate of steel that the baffles or something in the top of it there we took out as well, because And it still weighed like 100 and bloody something kilos, so it was absolutely ridiculous. Well, after the bricks are all done, then it's time to break it in and give it a bit of a run. And I tell you what, that's certainly working a hell of a lot better than the other one that was there, that's for sure. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And it's good to see a woman doing a bit of work for a change. You'll be good. Stay safe. And we'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!